We're going to make another sash with this one, but it's an incline sash. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. It is turned inside out since it will be ice-dyed, or at least part of it. And I'm going to go roughly from this corner that you can't see to this corner that you can't see. Yeah, I understand. So, just making sure it's roughly right. I'm going to pick these up. And see how well that did. Make sure that's smooth, and then we'll go ahead and do a little bit of work part of the ways up this. I'm going to mark off about a 3.5 inch span. So that'll make a 7 inch wide sash. Add one extra line to this. It's going to be about 1.5 inches in. And this will be my fold line for the accordion, and then this is my band line. So let's go ahead and fold this, and these are going to be, I don't know, what is that, 1/2 inch or so? There we go. I'm going to trust this edge more so than I'm trusting the line I drew, because I know the line I drew is crooked. So I think I'm going to rubber band this instead of sinew, which means my wonderful new roll of sinew doesn't get used. It's kind of sad. Wrap its little end back up and put that away. Alright, so this one is a little touch up to it. I'm going to go ahead and touch this up. Alright, so I'm going to start scrunching this starting at the bottom. I might come up higher than that, I'm not really sure. Alright, that is ready. Tap that in a little. I think if I can get enough pressure on this edge. There we go. Off to dye. Alright, I'm going with Fire Red, Deep Orange, Daffodil, Forest Green, Bluebird, and Deep Purple. And these are all from Dharma. So I've got it sitting flat, but once the dye is on it, I'm going to incline it at about 45 degrees and put the ice on and let that melt through. It's probably just going to melt a single time since the accordion folds are only 3/8 of an inch, so it should go down okay. And then we'll go to the next step. Alright. Oh, that's not good. We'll just ignore that. That didn't happen. Alright, we'll let that sit, melt through, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, it's melted through, but I didn't get much coverage through here, so I'm going to go ahead and add extra dye just on this back ridge, and then put some ice across that. Alright, I'll let that melt through a second time, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, so I've got some fuchsia red. I've made up about 16 ounces of liquid from that. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and set this in the bowl. Making sure that at least up until this point is actually fully submerged, and then we'll let the rest of it soak up into it. So I'll just pour this in. I'll let that all soak in. Give it another probably 18 hours, I would guess. And then we'll do the washout. Alright, it's been about 36 hours in total. Let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright, I'll go throw this in the wash, and we'll take a final look after that. Alright, overall, it's not bad at all. There's this extra darker stuff in here. Now the stuff that slipped, when the ice slipped down, that would be this bit and this in here. I don't even, well, I can't see it on the monitor. I know it's there because I'm seeing it in person. That's not bad. So that works out okay. It's a few little speckles. I mean, overall, I like the idea. I like the concept. I like the colors. So I mean, I don't have much else to say on this. I'm happy with the results. I think it looks good. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.